Now, example 4.23. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will two planes after 1.5 hours? So after 1.5 hours, how much distance that two aeroplanes is there? They asked. So look at that. We know that already. I said no. This is the format of B, and which alphabet is first? N. Next S. So north, east, west, south. Now what they say? An aeroplane leaves the airport and flies due to north at a speed of 1000 km at the same speed. So first this is the central. Okay, for example, two aeroplanes are so here, so they are taking origin. Same place now. Further they are taking origin. O leaves an airport, flies due to north. North means this side. So if you know that, you can draw a aeroplane symbol. And how much kilometer? 1000 km per hour. 1000 km per hour. It's going 1000 km per hour. And another one is 1000 km per hour. Speed this one. Next, another aeroplane is coming due to west side. How much kilometer? 1200 km per hour. This is also speed. So what they asked, here one aeroplane, here one aeroplane. For example, this aeroplane A, this aeroplane B. So what is the distance after 1.5 hours? Two aeroplanes, how much distance they asked? Okay. So here we can take O. Now, first I have to know from here to here how much distance. This is not a distance, this is a speed they given. Distance we have to find. From here to here I am walking means how much distance they ask. No, that we need. So for example, distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So distance here to here, OB distance. How much? Speed 1200. Here what is they given? 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour means what? 1 by 2. Cross multiply 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 by 2. Answer 3 by 2. Mixed fraction we have to convert into improper fraction. So 3 by 2. Cancelling means one time. This is 600 time. 600 into 3, answer 1800 kilometer. This is the original distance. This is the original distance. I am giving box also. Next, another one we have to find. This is the speed. Same distance is equal to speed into time. How much they given? OA I am finding distance OA, O from A equal to speed how much? 1000 they given into 3 by 2. 1 2s are 2. This is 500 times. So 500 into 3, answer 1500 kilometer. This is OA. So 1500 kilometer. In many of the exam, no, 1200, 1005, 1000 they are taking. That is wrong. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now we found a distance. We found. No? Now we can use that what formula? Pythagoras theorem formula. We can look at that. In triangle OAB, in triangle OAB by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. This is hypotenuse. Here angle is there. This is opposite. Down is the adjacent. So hypotenuse value only we are going to find. AB square equal to opposite square is what? 1500 square plus 1800 square. This I will say very one easiest method. No need of multiply 1500 into 1500. It's very difficult. For that I am saying easiest method. No, 1500 2 square means 2 into 2 you can write. No, 1500 into 1500. 1800 into 1800. Now 1500 I can write. How I can write? 15 into 100. 15 into 100. This also I am writing 15 into 100. 1800 I can write 18 into 100. This also I can write 18 into 100. See, 100, 100, 100, 100 is common, no? So I can take outside. 100 into 100 I am taking outside. Remaining what will be there? 15 into 15 plus 18 into 18 will be there. Next, 1000 into 1000. 2 into 2 means 2 square. Sorry, 100 into 100, 100 square. Again see, this 15 I am splitting. 5 3s, 3 5s are 3 into 5. 3 into 5. 18 I can split 3 into 6 plus into 3 into 6. See, 3 common. Here also 3 common. Take outside. 100 square into what I am taking outside? 3 into 3 I am taking outside. Remaining what will be there? 5 into 5 plus 6 into 6. So here 100 square. Here 3 into 3, 3 square. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. Okay. Now take square root. Square root of AB square equal to square root of 100 square. Square root of 3 square. 25 plus 36, 61. Square and root cancel. Square and root cancel. Square and root cancel. AB equal to here 100, here 300 into 3 what? 300 root 61. 300 root 61 kilometers. This is the answer. Very easy, no? If you are doing like this only, this sum is easy. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Okay, so split it, then you write it like this. Book method is very difficult. This is very easy method. I am giving your way method. Very easy. Okay. If you need, you write the final answer. How far apart will two planes after 1 hour? Two planes apart after 1 hour equal to 300 root 61 kilometers you can write. Okay. Thank you.